To check your transaction history on Zelle, follow these simple steps. This guide will help you navigate the process easily. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the mobile banking app of the financial institution where you have Zelle set up. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Zelle. Look for the Zelle option within the app. This is usually found in the main menu or under a section labeled Payments or Transfers. Step 3. Access transaction history. Once you are in the Zelle section, find the option for transaction history or activity. This will display a list of your recent transactions made through Zelle. Step 4. Review transactions. Scroll through the transaction history to view details such as the date, amount, and recipient of each transaction. You may also find options to filter or search for specific transactions. Step 5. Log out securely. After reviewing your transaction history, make sure to log out of your banking app to protect your account information, especially if you are using a shared or public device. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Zelle. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay on top of your finances.